Katlamalalo go tswa mo SABC Studio 10 Auckland Park, Johannesburg. Re go tlisetsa kgaso ya dikgang tsa Setswana. A re iketle mmogo ka tshedimosetso.
We will be conducting our discussions in a business-like manner, representing our country, the interests of our country. We've got a number of issues to discuss.
Mo kgasong eno re utlwa fa Moporesidente Cyril Ramaphosa a kgadile dipego tsa gore basweu ba maAfrikanere ba bolawa ka mogoso mono Afrika Borwa.
It became dark, because of the smoke. It was thin and it was dark.
Paki e nngwe gape tlhotse neela ka bopaki mo kgetseng ya ga Sthembiso Mtlalose. Motho madume wa mogetso mo kgasong ya rona ya dikgang tsa Setswana. Tla re diale. Moporesidente Cyril Ramaphosa o gapetse thoko magato a gore basweu ba maAfrikanere ba bolawa ka mogoso mono Afrika Borwa. Ramaphosa o tlhalositse maikutlo a gagwe ka ga leeto la gagwe go ya kwa Amerika beke e tlang. Seno ke jaaka dikgolagano tsa dinaga ka bobedi di sa jese di welang. Moporesidente Cyril Ramaphosa ga oka mme o kgadile thata le go kgapela thoko magatwe a senang boammaruri a phasalediwang ke ba ba seng kang botshabi kwa Amerika.
We all know as South Africans, both black and white, that there is no genocide here. We are not genociders. We are not committing any act of hatred, act of retribution against or violence against anyone who is a citizen, even if they are not citizens of our country. We are not made that way.
O tshwaetse jana ka ga leeto la gagwe kwa Amerika.
We are going there as a South African delegation. I'm going with ministers, and there are some other people who are accompanying me. And we are a sovereign state, and we will be conducting our discussions in a business-like manner, representing our country, the interests of our country. We've got a number of issues to discuss: trade issues, diplomatic issues, and relationship issues. So we are not going to be distracted.
Kantoro ya Moporesidente e tletse tsholofelo ya gore kopano magareng ga boporesidente bano ka bobedi e tla tlamela serala sa gore ba buisane ka ga merero e farologaneng. Moitsanape a re nako eno e botlhokwa thata gore baeteledipele bano ka bobedi ba buisane.
It will, of course, be somewhat overshadowed by this idea of granting refugee status to Afrikaners from South Africa, which of course is based on a completely false narrative. But I think what we also need to understand is that the Trump administration is trying to impose penalties on South Africa for its position in the International Court of Justice. And so, we shouldn't look at it lightly, the fact that they keep insisting on this word of genocide, because of course we have accused Israel of possibly committing genocide in Gaza.
Khabagare makoko a le mmalwa a tlile go ela tlhoko leeto le le letetsweng leo la tiro. Re sa lefotona ya temothuo John Steenhuisen a re lefapha la gagwe le samagane le go tokafatsa dikgolagano le puso ya Amerika. Fa bua kwa Nampo Park kwa Botterville, Steenhuisen a re jaaka temothuo e thusa tshomarelo ya dijo mo nageng ga ana taolo ya maAfrikanere a ileng go senka botshabelo kwa Amerika. Mme le fa go ntse jalo a re balemirui ba bangwe ba supile fa ba ikaeletse go nna mono gae.
New tariff regime proposed by the United States of 30% would be incredibly harmful, but we luckily have seen a pause for 90 days on that, which is allowing us to continue the way in which we were before. And in this interim, the government has not been sitting on its laurels. We've been working very clearly under the stewardship of Minister Parks Tau, the Minister of Trade, Industry and Cooperation, with the Agricultural Ministry, with the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, with the Ministry of International Relations and the Ministry in the Presidency to put together a package deal that we'll be able to go and offer the Americans.
Mopresidente wa ANC Cyril Ramaphosa a re o tile moko gore tona ya matlotlo Ino Kotongwana o tla rebola tekanyetsokabo ya monongwaga beke e tlang. A re Kotongwana o konosetsa puo ya gagwe le gore tekanyetsokabo e fetotsweng e tla atlanegisiwa.
Mopresidente Cyril Ramaphosa o re ho hloleha ho tjhaelwa monwana ha ditekanyetso tsa 2025 ka kgwedi ya Hlakola ho sile naha ena e aparetswe ke leru le letsho. Ho hloleha ho tjhaelwa monwana ha ditekanyetso ho tlile ka ho sa dumellane ha ANC le DA ka mora hore ho phatlalatswa ha lekgetho le tla nyollwa ka 0.5.
We need to look below that cloud and see whether there is a silver lining that can help us to handle these matters better forward. And that silver lining is to enable us as leaders, as South Africans as well, to immerse ourselves, to get us to delve into understanding our national budget.
Mopresidente o boetse o ile a dumela diphephetso mokgeng, mme o qollotse bobodu ho putlama ha makgotla a metse le ho eketseha ha tlhokeho ya mosebetsi hara tse ding.
We need to unleash the levers of our economy and attend to the constraints and the impediments that are keeping our economic growth down. Attend to the problems that are making it difficult for the private sector to create jobs.
Ramaphosa o bontshitse tshepo ka ho etela naheng ya Amerika bekeng e tlang ka maikemisetso a ho rarolla diphapang pakeng tsa Amerika le naha ya Afrika Borwa. O re tsohle tse bolelwang ka naha ena le maafrikanere ha se nnete. Tebello ke hore seboka sena sa ANC Northern Cape se tla fihla pheletsong ka Sontaha. Thabiso Khadebe, Ditaba tsa SABC, Kimberley.
Mokaedi wa bosekisi jwa bosetšhaba Advocate Shamila Batoi a re go tsweletse dipatlisiso tse pedi ka ga ditlhopha tsa bosekisi tse di amegang mo kgetseng e sa atlegang ya petelelo ya moruti wa kwa Nigeria Timothy Omotoso. O gateletse gape gore NPA e ikaeletse go ikwela kgatlhanong le go se bone molato ga Omotoso. Re sa le foo Advocate Batoi o gadile ditopo tsa gore a leboge tiro morago ga gore Omotoso a se bone molato le magatwe a go sa samagane le dikgetsi tsa maemo a kwa godimo ka tsela e maleba. Makoko a ANC, MKP, EFF le Al Jamaa a batla gore Batoi a tselwe dikgato.
We are repeating the same call to her to say what is wrong with you and DPP. Taking a decision to resign in the face of an embarrassment which you have caused the entire country in the case of Omotoso.
I just wanted to confirm to herself, to this meeting, and to the people of South Africa that before the sun sets today, a letter would have landed in Mr. Ramaphosa's office, where we'll be asking for her suspension pending the investigation into her fitness to hold office.
We want to tell Advocate Shamila Batoi that she will never see mistakes on herself. We, as the country, we are seeing a lot of errors on her side. And we are requesting her nicely to resign as soon as possible.
I can promise you there are many of a similar matter that is before courts and not before courts, where the NPA and the NDPP's office is failing South Africa. And I will too duly note that Shamila Batoi needs to be removed from her position.
At this point in time, I'm incredibly proud of the work that the NPA has done. I have no intention of stepping down. And sure, if, the processes must take its course, but my commitment is to the people of this country and to keep fighting for justice until the last day.
Motho re santse re le mmogo. Ngaka Ditaba Magudumana o latlhegetswe gape morago ga gore kgotlatshekelo ya boikuelo e gapele thoko kopo ya gagwe ya gore go phimolwe go tshwarwa ga gagwe kwa Tanzania. Magudumana o ikgolagantse le kgotlatshekelo ya boikuelo a ikuela gore e fetole tshwetso ya kgotlatshekelo ya Free State e le yona e gapetseng thoko kopo ya gagwe ya gore e kae fa go tshwarwa ga gagwe go ne go se mo molaong.
Kopo ya Magudumana e boetse e qheletswe ka thoko matsapa a hore ho tshwarwa ha hae ho hlaloswe ho se molaong ha atleya. Qeto ena e latela ya lekgotla le phahameng la dinyewe Freistata ya selemo sa 2023 e ileng ya hloleha le yona e sale a kena a etswa makgotleng a dinyewe ka mora ho kgutlela Afrika Borwa ka kgwedi ya Mmesa ka 2023.
The order of the majority judgment reads as follows. The appeal is dismissed with costs, including the cost of 2 counsel were so employed.
NPA e re qeto ena e rotloetsa nyewe ya yona le hore e betla tsela ya hore nyewe ena e mamelwe ka kgwedi ya Phupu mo ho lebeletsweng baqosuwa bohle ba robong nyeweng ena ho kenyeletsa le Thabo Bester ba hlahelle.
It vindicates our long-held view, firmly so, that the deportation of Dr. Magudumana from Tanzania in 2023 was above board. There was no untoward conduct on the part of the team that escorted her.
Maqwetha a Magudumana a re ha thabela qeto ena fela hawe moya mme ba re ha jwale ha ba qhelele ka thoko kgonahalo ya hore ba ka fetisetsa nyewe ena lekgotleng la molaotheo.
We still have faith in our case that we have a meritorious case. Obviously, we have yet to receive the judgment. We'll have to study the full judgment.
Nyewe e tla dula ho tloha ka Phupu ho fihlela ha kgwedi ya Lwetse e hlola matsatsi a 19 monongwaha. Magudumana le baqosuwa mmoho le yena ba tobane le diqoso tse balwang ho tse 38 tse kenyeletsang bobodu ho thusa Thabo Bester ho thoba hara tse ding. Magudumana o ne a tshwarwe Tanzania ka mora ho ba palehong le Thabo Bester ya thobileng tjhankaneng e Bloemfontein. Magala Masiteng, Lefapheng la Ditaba ho SABC Bloemfontein.
Re sa le 4 kgotlatshekelo ya molaotheo e gapetse thoko kopo ya mmeteledi yo gapeleng molai Thabo Bester ya go ikuela kgatlhanong le katlholo ya kgotlatshekelo ya Free State e gapetseng thoko boikuelo jwa gagwe kgatlhanong le se a reng ke maemo a sa jeseng diwelang a go tswalelwa ga gagwe le kopo ya gagwe ya laptop kwa kgotlatshekelo ya bosenyi. Paki engwe gape e leng mofalodi e tlhotse neelana ka bopaki mo kgetseng ya Gasthembiso Mdlalose yo a latofadiwang ka go fisa kago mono Johannesburg ngogola le go bolaya batho ba le 76. Gompieno Sihle Dube o ne a ikokobeditse le go neela ka tshedimosetso e ntšhwa ya tiragalo eo. Tsheko e tswelela pele beke e tlang jaaka bosekisi bo tsweletse ka dipatlisiso.
And it became dark quickly. Then I went back to the room. It became dark, because of the smoke. It was thin and it was dark. Then I went back into the room. I looked for the trouser because I was wearing only an underpant. So I looked for the trouser. Then I found the trouser. Then I took one of my phones and switched on the light and looked for the keys because I had the key for an escape door.
Motho re santse re le mmogo. Tona ya ditlhaeletsano Soli Malatsi a re ba rulaganya go tlamela dikolo tsa kwa metsemagaeng ka didiriswa tsa technology ka 2029. Malatsi o buile seno fa a ne a rebola Cyber Lab kwa sekolong se segolwane sa Morutwa kwa motseng wa Madira gaufi le Polokwane kwa Limpopo.
Laboratory ya Mabona e tlo thusa barutwana ba metsemagaeng ka ditlabakelo tsa technology. Lepe ya boleng jwa dimilione tse 2 e na le dikomputara, di software tsa thuto le internet.
ena re ikemišeditše gore ge re fitlhelela 2029 e be e le gore mo Afrika Borwa batho ka moka ba kgona go hwetša connectivity le gore dikolo di be le support e di tlhokang eupša tše ka moka di dependa le gore na re na le ditlabakelo tša gore re kgone go fitlhelela le tšone ke ka fao re berekišanago le bo Telkom le ba bangwe ba di-network operators gore ba kgone gore thuša gore tše technology mo go bana ba sekolo.
Barutwana ba reng lab e tlo ba thuša dithutong tša bona.
I thought thuša like go na le bana ba bangwe ba le gore a bana di-phone ba submita di-assignment late because of that reason. Then e thought thuša gape le gore re die di-application tša rena sentse di butse re tlo kgona gore mammema re thuša go apply gape thought thuša gore re gain more knowledge about internet and stuff.
Re sa lefao Tona Soli Malatsi o reng pele ya go thuša SABC ka mašeleng e pele ga kabinete gore ba kgone go isekaseka. Bili go gwetše morago kgweding ya Nofemere ngwageng wa go feta morago gore Tona a se thabiše ke peakanyo ya yona.
Taba ya SABC bile ke gore e sa le pele ga agenda ya cabinet ge go na le diphetogo re tla le tsebiša go ba le polelo e re ntšhago ka go yona.
Malatsi o reng ba boledišana le kgoro ya matlotlo go ba kgopela gore ba thuše SABC ka mašeleng a go netefatša gore SABC tšwela pele go thuša setšhaba. Ke Mahlatse Phaladimi, ditabeng tša SABC motseng wa Mmadiga.
Go na le tokafalo mo boleng jwa metsi a tswang kwa planteng ya phepafatso ya metsi ya Rooiwal kwa Hammanskraal kwa bokone jwa Pretoria. Se ke go ya ka ditlhatlhobo tse di dirilweng ke tona ya metsi le kgelelo leswe Phemi Majodina. Megadikgang wa rona Molemo Mothwaone o ne a le ka koo mme o buisane le tona tla re ba tsee ka tsebe.
Re na le tona ya metsi le kgelelo ya leswe Phemi Majodina mme a patilwe yalo ke motlatsa tona re Mahlobo le meyara wa Tshwane go ela kampo go sekaseka maemo a metsi a diprojeke tsa metsi mono Hammanskraal tlhoko re tla go buisana le ena go utlwa gore ke kgatelopele efe e kanakang e setseng e dirilwe ka diprojeke tse opeditse minister.
Ha re leboe ho wena re leboe le ba di-viewers tsa SABC rona go tlo fihla mona re ikutlwa re le motlotlo gore mosebetsi wa gore re kenelle ka hara project tsena tsa metsi wa bonahala ha ne re le mona ho no so bile mosebetsi o reng ho ntsoe metsi a hlokileng a ye bathong ke ka bulella go tisetsa gore jwale metsi a leng 12.5 megaliters per day a tswa mona a ya straight bathong batho ba fumana metsi ka la boraro ka di 21 tla be re eta metsi a mang re oketsa 5 megaliters e tla rena ya 17.5 megaliters metsi a hlokileng ha e sa le re qadile ho ntsha metsi mona ha o so ka ba ho ba le ditlaleyo tsa hore hona le batho ba kulang.
Motho di ne di le kalo tsa segonjono kgaso e latelang ke ya Sepedi ka moso mo SABC 2 le SABC le hae ponelo pele ya maemo a bosa ya latela sala sentle.